Auscultate. Auscultate, to listen, for diagnostic purposes, to the sounds made by the internal organs of the body. For example, nurses and physicians auscultate the lungs and heart of a patient by using a stethoscope placed on the patient's chest or back. A U S C U L T A T E. Auscultate.